Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here to talk about an app which is Blinkist, also known as Blink Labs. So I'll give you the details whether to buy that subscription or not, or whether that app is good, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. So do watch the video. So what is Blinkist? Blink Labs is commonly known as Blinkist, which is a book summarizing subscription-based service based in Berlin, Germany. It has about 7 million users, and the service provides summaries of around 3000 plus non-fiction books, bestseller books, and it conveys whatever the book wants to tell you in small blinks ranging from 15 minutes, 11 minutes between them. So what are the features of the app? It provides you blinks, then there is blink of the day feature, then it has shortcasts and small episodes or learning paths sort of. So if you want to learn about productivity, it has grouped a book, now few books with it, and then you can listen to all those blinks and learn about that. So it's very nice, and there are tailored blinks for you. Suppose you have a trend that you like listening to some kind of books, then it will tailor few blinks for you, so you can listen to that. So what are the advantages of Blinkist? Firstly, if you have a time constraint and you want to read a lot or get to know a lot of books, so you can get into Blinkist and then skim through cover to cover and get to know the book. Also, if you want to decide that whether you want to read this book or not, so you can first listen to the blinks, get an idea, and then make your decision as per what it has to say. Also, the blinks or the book blinks, they convey the message of the book and very good summary. So if you just want to know that, increase your knowledge and just want to know that what this book talks about, that book talks about. So there are a lot of books which are very talked about, and you don't want to read whole book, so you can always go and listen to their blinks and get to know the book. So if you are a student and you don't have a lot of time in your hand and you want to read the books which are recommended to you, you can obviously go on Blinkist and then listen to the blinks. They'll give you the whole idea of the book, convey the whole message, and you didn't have to spend 2-3 days or weeks on that book. You can just get to know that book in 15 minutes. So what are the cons of Blinkist? Nothing can replace a real book. So I talked about the advantages, that if you want to go through that and everything, but nothing is ever going to replace a real book in your hand. So if you are someone who really wants to read all the books, then you should not go for Blinkist. Also, if you are not going to invest your 15 minutes every day in the app, I don't suggest you buy the subscription, because it needs your daily time. You should go to the app and then give it your 15 minutes. If you're not going to do that, or you're too lazy to do that, you know that you're not going to log in when you buy the subscription, then don't get the subscription. Just use blink of the day and listen to one free book every day instead of buying the whole thing. But if you know that you're going to give it your time, then you should go and buy the subscription. For the pricing, it's free for 7-day free trial. On the 5th day, you're reminded that your trial is about to end, which not a lot of apps do.
The yearly subscription cost around 4,899 for this app.
If you want to buy monthly, it is 19.19 per month, INR. Everything I'm telling you is in INR. So it's a pricey subscription. I mean, you get most of the subscription in India for 1,000 a year, and this comes for around 4,800, which is a big thing. So you must think through all the pros and cons, weigh in those, and then decide to buy the subscription. So the basic plan features random daily picks, but if you want to enrich your knowledge, but the premium plan is the real deal. You should go for the premium plan, but first try the basic, see how much time you're spending on it, and then decide ahead. So what is the verdict? See, while nothing beats reading a book, but if you don't have time, you can, the Blinkist is the second best thing that can happen to you. You can go through all this huge pool of knowledge it has given us. So there are a lot of books. You can read all the bestsellers there. You can get to know, increase your knowledge. There are shortcasts, so there are few writers that come in and tell you things, they talk about stuff. So personally, I have invested in Blinkist. I give it my 15 minutes, 30 minutes every day, and I listen to the blinks, because personally it helps me decide if I want to read a book or not, and even if I'm not reading, I know what is there in that book. So my purpose of reading, I am someone who likes to read the real book, of course, but there are few books which I don't think I would read the whole book. So why not just give it my 15 minutes and get to know the book? So it's gonna increase my knowledge. So if you are someone, I'm telling you again, if you are someone who is ready to invest their 15 minutes every day into this app, then you go ahead and buy this subscription. There's nothing to lose. It's a beautiful app. It's gonna increase your knowledge. It's gonna give you a lot of things. Don't think about the 4,800 rupees. Think about the knowledge that it's gonna give it to you. And if you are not a reader, you're starting out, or you think that you should read more books in your life, then switch to Blinkist, get to know the book, and then decide whether you want to read it or not. So the verdict is buy Blinkist. It's worth buying. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment on this video and I will give one lucky person, which I am going to choose randomly, one free month of Blinkist subscription. Don't forget to comment. Please comment, and I'm gonna choose one person and they're gonna get one free month.